Hello, hi there. So today's video is all about your website and what it needs to become a client magnet. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Cynthia Scomp. I'm the founder of the Web Presence Boss Group, and I've been building websites for 20 years now. And I love helping women launch their own online business. So if you have any questions during this video, go ahead and drop them in the comments. I do come back and reply. And if you're here live, thank you. I see somebody who hopped on. Drop a comment and tell me where you're from and what you do. And if you're catching the replay, thanks so much for taking time to hop on. And also tell us where you're from and what you do. So let's go ahead and get talking about what your website needs to become a client magnet. We want to attract clients. Every company wants a website that attracts clients and converts them into paying customers. Yes, I think that's pretty common. Just about everyone says that. And there's a lot of different components to making this happen. So we're gonna talk today about the design, the content, usability, like the user experience, and a little bit more, some more technical things like search engines and things like that. My mom might interrupt us. I didn't tell her I was coming to do a live stream. You see her there. Okay, so let's go ahead and just jump into, well, like I said, drop comments with questions below in the chat. I'll come back and be happy to help you with your needs, chat about them. So let's go ahead and just jump right in here. Quality design. What we're looking for in the design is quality. Like, this is always the hard thing to put into terms. Like, you just know quality. It doesn't look like a fourth grader built it. It's hitting all of the points of what we're going to go through today. Things you expect to see on a website. The fonts match. They're easy to read. You can easily navigate it. The menu makes sense. The sidebar has content in it. It makes sense the way the sidebar is set up with different links to different categories if it's a blog. So user-friendly, color design. Don't clash the colors. You want to use a dark color on top of a light color. You don't want to put text over top of faces. You might want to blur the background out so that the text is more readable in certain areas. Just really good quality design. Really well thought out. Color schemes were picked. Everything matches. It doesn't matter what it was built on as long as it's looking like professional. So you want to stand out from your competitors by having that good quality feel to your website. The second part of this to attract clients is through your content on the website. So you want to kind of focus around how your visitor would use your products and services in their everyday life. You want to storytell, use some strong headlines, be clear with the benefits, show proof. We're going to get into proof a little bit down further. That's your testimonials. And for each point you want to make about your company's offerings, connect emotionally through stories, using customers' lives, giving readers useful articles and how-to tips, etc., stuff like that, so they know why they need to do business with you. So you're going to be writing blog articles that will drive traffic to your website. Commit to at least one article per week if you can to help your ideal audience. Make sure that you're pinning this content to visual search engines like Pinterest and StumbleUpon. These platforms will help you as well, rank higher in Google, and specifically for these keywords that you're commonly using throughout your website. That's a little bit more on the SEO side of things. Make sure you're repurposing your content. You can do videos for Facebook. You can share it into groups as live streams like I'm doing now. Upload it to YouTube. Include a link to the article on your website with each place that you're repurposing the content. These options are also going to help your website rank better in Google and drive a lot more traffic to the content. So that's how you kind of get the clients to your site. And then you need to set up something irresistible for them to download and give you in exchange their email address. So your list building, you want to have an irresistible freebie. So this is something that should be highly sought after by your ideal clients. It's going to be something that solves a problem for them. For example, my clients really struggle with getting content together and planning for it on social media and getting it out there. So what I've done is I went and created 100 social media Canva posts with prompts so that they will drive up engagement and sales on social media. And it's just a link to a Canva template. It loads it into their own Canva account, and if they have the premium membership, Canva allows you to schedule those posts out to your social media platforms now. So it's completely taken care of for them. All they do is they go in, change their logo out, swap in some content of their own, maybe reuse the templates for next month's content as well. If they don't want to write their next month's content, that freebie has a page at the end, the thank you page, with an offer on it. And that offer is for additional downloadables and a mini class, and it's just $17. And from there, they get invited to join my $25 a month membership, where they just get new content generated for them monthly that they load into their Canva. And that's my funnel. So utilizing a funnel is the best way to attract clients on your website. They're going to get to your website from your content, and then your website's going to look great, and they're going to download that freebie, and it's going to put them right into the funnel into working with you. So that's the gist of what we're doing here. And in order to get them to work with you, that's where the quality testimonials come in. So not all testimonials are equal. So you want to display the best ones, and you're going to guide your customers through giving you the information for these testimonials that you need. So you want them to focus on the real results that were achieved from a project working together with you. So you might need to ask some questions to get that information out of them, like what are 2 to 5 benefits you experienced through our working together, is one thing I might ask. And then I might also ask, what are your concerns about working with a professional before you hired me, and how did that compare with your actual experience? Those things kind of help get the ideas rolling for what their testimonial will look like. And I take that a bit further by giving them the details about their transformation, like the stats. They're not going to sit there and calculate what their stats are. You need to tell them that. So it might be, Cynthia helped me increase my sales by 200% just by changing these few things on my website. Or it could be, I went from making $5,000 a month once in a while to consistently $30,000 a month after working together. So those stats are what are going to wow people and get them to click into your funnel, or to click the application to work with me. So those are the highly important things you need to work with on your testimonials to build up that credibility in your website. And then you want to show them off on your website. So highlight the best results on the main pages in your website. So your home page, your sales page, and your about page, you want to highlight the best ones there. And then you might also want to create a testimonial page where they can just go click over there, and it kind of tells a story about what it's like to work with you by seeing how all of these other people saw great results with you. And it's going to entice them to think you're the perfect person for the job. And that's about everything I can think of for turning your website more into a client attraction type site rather than just kind of a paperweight on Google. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'd be super happy to answer them. This was a short video today. I didn't have a ton of content for you, but it's impactful content. I think these are the super important things to focus on in a website to get the results you're looking for. And if you need help setting up your website, getting all of this information together in a way that makes sense for your clients, getting the content out there that you need, help writing that content to get it out there, just hit me up. send a direct message or visit my website, webpresenceboss.com, and you can schedule an appointment there. I do free 30-minute virtual consults. We can have a quick chat over video chat and talk about what your next steps are to start driving traffic and converting with visitors on your website into customers. So again, webpresenceboss.com. I look forward to chatting with y'all. Drop your questions below. I will be checking in and out throughout the day to answer any questions you have. If you want, drop your website link and I would be happy to take a look at it and give you a few pointers. It's another service I offer for free. So talk to y'all later. Bye.